Guys, Mom bought me a fidget. Guess what is it? It's a fidget, not a fidget spinner. You already know. A fidget cube. It's awesome. But I still want a fidget spinner, but it's cool though. It's cool. Pew, 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 pew. Hang on. Time. Okay, Mama. So when she walked in the door, she hit it. Crazy, right? Oh, this ball is moved smoothly. The black. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I got this from school. School, remind me. Oh, hi, Evan. I'm gonna record. The heck you got that? Mom, there's one Mom got. This is gonna be hours. Oh, must be mine, but hours. So yeah, I know. School remind me of this. Yeah, I know to do this for school. Don't tell no one. You know I'm gonna do this with school.
These Orbeez are smaller now. These Orbeez are small, Adam.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching the fidget cube. Mom might buy me a fidget spinner. Oh, see you guys later. I kinda like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Well, thanks for watching. That's just not.